In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Clickup. Creating a new workspace is essential for organizing your tasks, projects, and teams efficiently within Clickup. Whether you're setting this up for personal use or a team of hundreds, the process is straightforward. So, let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, we'll need to start by heading over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's official site. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the homepage. You should see the login option. Click on that and it'll prompt you to sign into your account. If you haven't logged in before, you may be asked to enter your username and password, but to keep things simple, there's an option to continue with Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Once logged in, look at the left panel of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a plus icon, which is your gateway to creating a new space. Clicking this icon brings up the option to start building your space. And it's exciting because you're now in the driver's seat. After clicking the icon, the next step is to enter a name for your space. This could be anything that reflects the activities or projects you plan to manage within that space. So take a moment to choose a name that makes sense for you or your team. When you've entered your chosen name, simply click on Continue. This step is crucial because it propels you forward into customizing your space. Now, you'll be prompted to define your workflow. At this point, ClickUp will offer a series of templates to help streamline your setup. Whether it's a simple task list or a more complex structure, choose a template that best fits how you and your team work. Next, you'll have the option to choose your default view. ClickUp provides various views like list, board, or calendar. Consider how you visualize your work best or what format your team finds most productive. Once you've made your selection, the final step is to click on Create Space. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new space in ClickUp ready for task management, collaboration, and productivity. Remember, each space can be tailored even further once created, with options to add custom fields, integrations, and more. Explore these features to make the most of your ClickUp experience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing in your new space.